in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your CapCut file into a MOV file, MOV. So MOV is another format of a video. It's real simple to do. There's a few things that you might be required to have a MOV file rather than a MP4, depending on the site you're using, depending on the computer that you're using. So it all kind of depends. But knowing how to do this both, it's very, very easy to do and very useful. So let's say you have your project ready to go. I just have a couple of clips here of Harry Potter, and you want to go export. So go ahead to the top right corner here where it says export. Make sure you have the location that you want the export file to go to. Make sure that's correct. I would make sure that the resolution just stays the same. 1080p is a good recommendation. And for your, let's see, we can go down here. Now we can just keep that checked off here. And what you can do here is make sure your format, see now mine is a MP4 and I want to change it to MOV. CapCut, you should be able to have both formats in your settings, and it's really important to get this down right before you actually export. So once that is in the right file format, you can go ahead and hit export. I'm just going to do it with the export with watermark, no big deal. And then now your video is exporting. As you see in here, the format says MOV, so you're exporting it in the correct way, and that's it. That's how you would go about exporting your CapCut files in MOV. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.